perform the indicated operations. All right, so I'm gonna distribute my x to everything in the second set of parentheses, and then I distribute the 6 to everything in the second set of parentheses. Um, there's no acronym like FOIL because this is a binomial times a trinomial. So FOIL only works for if you have two terms times two terms. We've got the three terms here, which means I just have to use distribute everything to everything else. So start with the x and distribute the x to every term in the second parentheses. So I'm going to have x times x squared is x cubed. X times negative 6x is negative 6x squared. And x times 36 is 36x. Then I move on to my 6 and I distribute that 6 to each term in the second parentheses. So I have 6 times x squared is 6x squared. 6 times negative 6x is negative 36x. And 6 times 36 is 216. Okay. If you're taking the final exam and you don't remember, you can't do 6 times 36 in your head. You can either do this 36 times 6, right? 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 3 is 216. Or you could do it in your head by doing 6 times 30 plus 6 times 6. 6 times 30 is 180. 6 times 6 is 36. 180 plus 36, 216. Okay, so now I'm going to combine like terms. I've got a negative 6x squared and a positive 6x squared. So those cancel. I have a 36x and a minus 36x. So those cancel. And I just have x squared plus 216, option D.